Hey, it's me, Naturally TC, coming at you with this 1 month re-lock video. My client has been 1 month with her new locks. This is my lunch, y'all. 1 month with her new locks, and they're coming along just fine. She almost fell off. She called me. She's like, I don't know if I could do this. I said, girl, I know it's hard. It is a lock journey, and plus she has this, that curly baby curl hair. That's what I call it. Little curly hair that's super soft, so it may take a little more time than your typical locks on different textures that lock faster. I guess textures that are a little more coarse tend to lock faster, but this texture of hair can lock. You've seen it on my videos before. It takes you're looking at 6 months to a year to get your locks looking like locks. But then there's some people, it'd be like 6 months, they're completely locked, So I heard in somebody else's video, they said no two locks are alike, and that is the truth. Even though her texture is like the young ladies that I did before, it doesn't mean that they're gonna have the same journey. Everybody's journey is different, so it is a lock journey. It's not quick. Look at the master stylist in my mirror. Hey girl, we argue all day, y'all. She talk junk, I talk junk, but we love each other for the most part. Anyway, so I am comb twisting her locks because these at the bottom are not locked at all. Like, they don't have any tug in them. I think that one might have a little bit. It's like when you come to a place where you can see that it is kind of making that little bird's nest, but none of those work. Mostly in the middle, it starts really good first, as you can see where her coils are. On the ends in the middle tend to be, excuse me, y'all, I'm so sorry. It is late at night and I'm trying to put these videos together because I want to be there for you. I'm doing this for y'all. Anyway, you just want to make sure these locks are uniform. I don't really like comb through the whole lock. Like, if there's a little tug in it, I'm gonna leave it, because that's how them locks start. And as you can see, I'm gonna palm roll some of these because they were pretty easy to palm roll. I just went ahead and palm rolled them. Clip them at the end. I also clip them at the root so that those roots stay tight. And that's pretty much it. It's a lock journey. Leave your locks alone. See your loctician or your hairstylist that does locks as often as you like, I suppose. But I'm thinking like one and a half months, 2 months. I am so sorry. When they get older, then you can go longer without getting them retwisted. But in the beginning, you need to lock that hair, lock that hair, lock that hair, lock that hair. Oh, somebody just booked an appointment, y'all. Bless God. Yeah, so I'm going to go through. I think I'm going to get a closer shot, so stay tuned. Leave any questions, comments below. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am your girl, Naturally TC. Bye.